Lesson 2. Present tense. The simple present tense. The simple present tense expresses an action which takes place in the present or which happens every day or regularly. E.g., she goes to school every morning. It expresses also an habit of a general truth. E.g., the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. The conjugating of the simple present tense. The subject is directly linked to the verb, subject plus infinitive, without to. E.g., she cooks porridge. At the end of the third person of singular, the verb takes always s. E.g., to come. I come. You come. He, she, it comes. We come. You come. They come. The s added at the third person of singular is pronounced as s. Z is
G, to eat. I eat. You eat.
He, she, it eats. We eat.
You eat. They eat.
To read. I read. You read. He, she, it reads. We read. You read. They read.
To change.
I change. You change. He, she, it changes. We change. You change. They change. When in the verb ends by o, x, s, z, ch, sh at the third person of singular, the verb takes es and not s. G, to go. I go. You go. He, she, it goes. We go. You go. They go.
To touch.
I touch. You touch. He, she, it touches. We touch. You touch. They touch. To box. I box. You box. He, she, it boxes. We box. You box. They box.
To buzz.
I buzz. You buzz. He, she, it buzzes. We buzz. You buzz. The buzz.
To wash.
I wash. You wash. He, she, it washes. We wash. You wash. They wash asterisk when the verb ends by e. At the third person of singular, that verb takes only s. E.g., to like. I like. You like. He, she, it likes.
We like.
You like. They like. When the verb ends by y, at the third person of singular we drop the y and we put es to the verb. E.g., to carry. I carry. You carry. He, she, it carries. We carry. You carry. They carry.
To cry.
I cry.
You cry.
He, she, it cries. We cry. You cry. They cry. Note: not all the verbs that follow this rule. Some verbs keep the y and s is added. Examples:
to buy, he buys.
To destroy, she destroys. To pray, he prays. To enjoy, she enjoys. To stay, he stays. The present continuous. The present continuous tense is used for action in progress at the time of speaking. It is made of the auxiliary to be in simple present and the present participle. Asterisk its formation. S plus to be plus V plus ing plus object. E.g., are you going to school? She is not eating pizza. Note: when a verb of one or two syllables ends with only one consonant preceded by only one vowel, double the final consonant before adding ing.
E.g.,
to stop, stopping. To run, running.
to sit, sitting.
To clap, clapping.
To get, getting.
Notice, too, when the verb ends with e, we drop the e before adding ing. Except to be, to see, and to die.
E.g.,
To take, I'm taking my money. To move, they are moving. To change, we are changing our mind.